Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Crown Victoria because, well, I'll just say they weren't found on road dead, but something happened while they were driving down the road. And that something that happened was the AC fan stopped blowing, like completely, while they were going down the road. So, we're going to see if we can fix it. Well, it's making a clicking sound. Huh. So we're going to check the fuse box. This car has two fuse boxes, one in the cabin and one in here. I'm going to check this one first. Luckily, it's easy to get to. You just... never say easy. Well, it is easy. You just pry these clips up. I'm going to try not to hurt my fingers. Alright, so this relay right here, 303, says blower according to what I saw. So I swapped these two relays because they're both exactly the same. We're going to see if that blower motor still works. I doubt it will because I'm not even sure that's related to that. It just said blower, so why not? Let's give it a try. I hear something clicking. I think it might be that relay, but that still didn't fix it, obviously. Otherwise, we would have AC right now. Alright, so I think this fuse box under here is the one we need to be looking at. So according to the website, the only one I can really relate to that could be a blower motor something is this one right here, 15. So what is that on here? This one, I think. 10-amp fuse. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of fuse pulling and testing and all that. And as far as I can tell, all the fuses that are related to the blower motor and all that seem to be good. Even the relay. I switched these two relays over like I said earlier, and the blower motor is still not working. So we're going to have to test the voltage coming out from the connector now. See if the connector ain't the problem or if the actual motor itself is out. Alright, so I have the connector removed. We're going to test the voltage coming from it. I have it on full blast, supposedly. Alright, 12 volts. So that means we are definitely getting power. Alright, so we got alligator clips connected to the terminals on the blower motor. We're going to see if it'll turn over with some 12 volts running to it. Well, that's not good. So we got it connected. Let's turn it on. All the way up. Now watch this when I touch it. Oh, there we go. You have to spin it over by hand to get it to spin over. So that means the blower motor is bad, if I had to guess. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Alright, so I called O'Reilly's. They said they had one in stock, so we're gonna go pick one up. Alright, so while I was bolting this motor back on here, my ratchet fell out of my hand and the car just swallowed it in that crevice down there. And it's not on the ground and I can't get it under the car, and obviously I can't get my hand in there either. It's ridiculous, but we're gonna see if it works. Well, it's blowing, but it's not coming out the bottom. Yeah, there we go. We just need to crank it up. Alright, so we got everything connected. We may have to drive the car around the yard so we can get that thing out of there. Let's move this car around a little bit, let that AC run. It works well, too. This car always has good AC. Ford knows how to make their AC systems. So I didn't hear anything hit the ground, but that AC sure works pretty well. Alright, so the blower motor fixed it. The thing is back up and running again like it should. I guess there's much else to film because everything's fixed now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. I know it was kind of short, but I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time stopping by on the channel and you want to follow, especially about the wheel horse, which we are restoring right now, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.